Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing these heat sinks on this Raspberry Pi 4. Now see, they're going to go right here, 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 and here. So first I'm going to have to peel these stickers off the back. So it comes with this little plastic coating here, and now we can put them on. Now I did not align these perfectly, so if I were to do this again, I would probably do a better job of lining these up, but they should work okay. Kind of suboptimal alignment, so I need to work on my dexterity probably. But yeah, there we go. So that first one going right on the SoC. Stick it right on there. You see how that's not perfectly aligned, but it's not too bad either. Next one's going on this other chip over here. My hand's kind of blocking the view there, but you'll see it once I move out of the way. There we go. So that second one. Peel the sticker off this guy right here. And these are a little bit harder to reach in here. You might want to do these with tweezers or something. I think I actually align these slightly better. And here's the last one. Peel that right off. Yeah, and this one I probably really would have benefited from using tweezers. It's really tricky to stick it in there. So it's kind of a tight space. But there we go. And that's what they all look like once they're on there. And yeah, that one is kind of crooked, and the one on the SoC is kind of off center. So not optimal. But anyways, remember to hit that subscribe button. And that's about it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on that next video.